Hey you guys, welcome. Today my husband finished putting this drip tape for me. If you want to watch that video, it was a whole other bed. It was a 4x4 bed. I was about to start putting my seeds and it broke. It broke because it was an old bed. I was trying to keep reusing it, but it broke off and we didn't want to try to fix it. So we just took it apart. I already had this raised bed too. So we just transferred it over here and I'm going to start putting the seeds. Ah, it's windy. So I'm going to prepare the dirt and then when my kids come home from school, we'll we'll put the seeds. I didn't show you, but this bed was already filled with tree branches, leaves, and a compost soil mix that I bought at our local nursery. This is my first time trying near source and pro mix soils for the top, so I also added worm castings and blended that in. The hubby also added this hardware to the bed to stabilize it. If you want to watch that video, click on the link above. And now that my kids are home from school, let's plant these seeds.
Can I do it?
Yay!
See, let's do it.
Everybody. Oh, my son always says that when he's happy. He's so cute. I like to let my kids plant the seeds because when they start sprouting, they get excited and they feel so proud of themselves. And just to let you know, we're not using exact measurements of how deep to put these. It's supposed to be about an inch deep in the soil. So I'm just poking a hole with my finger as the kids drop the seeds in, and then we just cover it up.
Maybe we can that the mother toy and put it there. Maybe. I can't be that we maybe other people can.
You can't believe it? And even though I have a drip system, I hand water the first 3 days just to ensure the seeds are wet. And after 3 days, they sprouted! Yay! And 7 days later... Alright, it's a whole week later, so before the roots start growing any further, I'm going to put this trellis. And now I'm thinning out the plants because a couple grew too close together. So I'm going to remove 6. I have a Facebook gardening group that I follow. So I'm going to gift these 6 to somebody on that group and hopefully they get some cucumbers out of this. And we need more spacing around the cucumbers so that they're not susceptible to fungus and disease. And since they're going to go up the trellis, I'm leaving 2 per row. Let's see how this goes. I spaced them about 6 inches apart. I added straw mulch to the top. This is exactly 2 weeks after planting. We're in September 4th, but we're still having scorching temperatures of 100 right here in El Paso, so let's see how this goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.